Do a little tour here?
Yeah.
Too? Yeah. Welcome to this side of the showroom. We've got a massive 8,000 pound chunk of blue gum eucalyptus. I like to call it blue gum you can't lift this. It's a native to Australia, but this particular one was removed from Beaumont, California. The tree weighed over 200,000 pounds, altogether, which is pretty insane. Just this chunk alone's 8,000, so pretty wild. Here we've got some carob. Carob is native to Southeast Asia. It's traded on the Silk Road for the fruit, which kind of tastes like chocolate. And they started to use the seeds as an international measurement standard for weight. How many carob seeds does it weigh? And when the Romans made the solid gold coin, it weighed 24 carob seeds. We just got a phone, what's that? We just got a phone call coming in right now. Luke just came in. I took the tag off already. Luke, here you go. That's going to King's, Water Grill, that's owned by King's Fish House, I think. So that's pretty cool, going to a local restaurant. We got these funky carob here. You say, John, what the heck do you do? It's got this rotten spot right here, and it's got this mycelium, this pre-mushroom growth right there. What's going on? Well, you could fill this with resin. You could also use this as a headboard, just as a headboard on the wall, and you don't need to fill it. Urban wood provides opportunities for non-tradition and get to practice the creativity, the ability to problem solve. This is a beautiful book matched carob. So you put these two pieces together and put it as a nice dining table. Ooh. Book matches when you open it up and you got the mirror image. And right here, this is a pruning wound from a chainsaw probably 30 years ago. So when this tree was this size, they cut this branch with a chainsaw, fungus landed on there and started to decay the wood, and then the tree grew over it to protect itself. So this is an example of good arboriculture. You kind of have the opportunity to be an anthropologist. I like to call it anthrosology. And you can see what happened, back in time. We've got some beautiful elm crotches right here, a little crotch grain, feather grain down there. Earlier, I walked by and I ran out of water with my squirt gun, but we spray water on it to show you what it would look like with a finish. So you can see this elm goes nice and dark. English elm. The city of Sacramento has been losing, I think in the last 25 years, they've lost 20,000 elms due to Dutch elm disease. And if you look up here, this is caused by Dutch elm disease. Where the bug is a carrier of the pathogen and it stops the tree from, I was going to tell you a tale. I don't even know the truth on what that bug does, but it kills the tree, I think, by stopping the sap going up the cambium layer or something like that. More big, beautiful elms over here. This is a hollow carob sculpture form. More beautiful blue gum eucalyptus. Ooh. Ah. Ficus. Interesting thing about ficus, there's over 800 types of ficus in the world. Ficus is also a fig tree. So if you've ever eaten a fig, that comes from a ficus tree. And every fig in ficus has a symbiotic relationship with a wasp. And a fig fruit is kind of like an inverted flower. So in order for the flower to get fertilized, the wasp has to go inside the fruit. So the female wasp goes inside the fruit, lays its eggs, and the male wasp goes in, but he's too big for the hole, and it rips his wings off. And every fig, you can look it up on Jujol, I swear, every fig has a dead wasp inside of it. So and one specific variety of wasp for each species of fig. So if you have a dinner plate ficus, which has these really cool leaves, that tree cannot reproduce in California because there's not the wasp to help it. Mind blown. It's wild. Elm, ficus, North Indian rosewood on the endangered species list. What? That's crazy. The cool thing about California, we're biodiverse and everything will grow here, So we got trees from India. This is from India. That one's from Australia. This is a local one here, Juglans hinsii, aka Northern California black walnut. Ooh. One of my favorites. It's sweet like maple syrup because it's silver maple. Ah. You got a wonderful crotch grain. Always got this Beautiful curly feathering going on. This is a piece of mesquite. Mesquite's beautiful and hard, and it's very well behaved. A great urban tree to salvage because it doesn't move a lot on you. We got all sorts of fun stuff. I think that's it for my tour today. Thank you guys for visiting me.